Okay, pretty much cool, guys. In this video, let's discuss the types of data structure, which I've said I'm going to discuss. So, data structures in Python are of two types. One is built-in data structure, and the other is user-defined data structure. Let's first cover built-in data structure. The name itself says built-in data structure means it's already built inside the Python programming language. So, you don't need to implement them from scratch. You can use the functionality already given within Python programming. So, let's see. Built-in means it's already built in. That's all simple. So there are actually again types inside built in. There's something called list, a dictionary, a tuple, a set. These are all data structures which help you to store data, and you can manipulate them on the way or on the go. Let's see everything in detail in coming videos. This is just a basic outline video where you're gonna just understand what and all are there. Okay, and then yeah, this is the first step. The second type is user defined data structure, where user is going to define, meaning user is who? I am the user, you are the user, we are the users, right? We define the data structure from scratch. We're going to implement it from scratch. There are no pretty much already written functions on it or something. We're going to do everything from scratch. So they include stacks, queues, trees, linked list, graphs, hash maps. I know it sounds very much tough, but no, it's okay, it's calm. You just have to bear with me basically. Yeah, so these are types of data structures: simple, user defined, and built-in. Within built-in we have these many, and within user defined we have these many. We're going to implement everything in this course, so keep calm and code. That's all.